What if I tell you you can build Adobe Express add-ons easily with rapid speed even if you have never coded a add-on before? So hi, I am Fardin and I have successfully published 6 Adobe Express add-ons, and the tool that I use regularly while building my add-ons is Cursor AI with Adobe Express MCP server. So in next 5 minutes I will show you how can you also set up Cursor AI in Adobe Express MCP server and how can you utilize it while building your own add-ons. So first, let me quickly explain what is Cursor and what is a MCP server. So a Cursor is a AI-powered code editor, and it is basically a fork of VS Code that is designed to boost your productivity through features like code generation and smart auto completion. And Cursor also allows you to use multiple AI models that can help you refactor multiple files and debug your code through a chat-like interface. And the best part about Cursor is it allows you to use multiple MCP servers at the same time. And what is the MCP server? So a MCP server is nothing. It is just a open standard for connecting AI applications with external data sources, tools, and services. In our case, the Cursor connects with Adobe Express add-on documentation through Adobe Express MCP server. This Cursor AI and Adobe Express MCP server development environment increased my productivity at least by 10x, and I think it will do the same for you. And the best part is it will only take you 2 minutes to set up your own development environment, and let me show you how. Alright, let's install Cursor now. So go ahead to cursor.com and go to download. Now download it according to your operating system. Once downloaded, you can install it like any other application. And the best part is the Cursor is completely free to start with optional paid plans. Once installed, open it and you will see an interface like this. Now let's add Adobe Express add-on MCP server in our Cursor. So click here and open MCP settings. Now click on add custom MCP button. Now in this mcp.json file, we have to add our Adobe Express MCP server configuration. So go ahead to official Adobe Express documentation, go to local development, click on Adobe Express add-on MCP server. Now copy this configuration file and paste it here. Save this file and again when you go to the MCP settings, you will see that Adobe Express add-on MCP server is installed and enabled. And this is the same way you can also add other MCP servers as well. Now let's see the Adobe Express MCP server in action. So I have already initialized an Adobe Express add-on template, and you can also get this template from here. You can either clone it or download zip file. So once the template is set up, we have to run the add-on development server. But to run the add-on development server, you need Node.js version 18 or above already installed. You can check it by running this command. If you see Node.js version 18 or above, then you are good to go. If not, then you have to install it from the official Node.js site. And once the Node.js is installed, let's run the npm run start to start the add-on development server. Once server is running, go to the Adobe Express site and make sure that you have this add-on development setting already enabled. If not, then enable it. Close this, go to add-ons tab, go to your add-ons and connect your development server with Adobe Express. Once connected, you will see your add-on here. So currently this add-on just add random shapes in our design. So now let's modify it using the Adobe Express MCP server. Now let's add a new feature in our add-on using Adobe Express MCP server. So open Cursor Set by pressing Command L and write a prompt describing what you want. So let me paste the prompt and press enter. The cursor is making a tool call via Adobe Express add-on MCP server to get the resources. So allow it. You can see that Cursor has generated the code for us. We can also review it, but for now, let's go to the Adobe Express again and click on Upload Image and choose an image. And boom, it is working as we described in the prompt. The same way, you can also add as many features as you want in your add-ons. Alright, let's recap what we just did. So we installed Cursor from cursor.com. We added Adobe Express MCP server in our settings, and we also saw tested and updated our add-on directly in Adobe Express. And now you can set up your own development environment in just few minutes by following the steps I told you, and you can build a cool add-on with it. And if you build something cool, I would love to see it. You can tag Adobe Express and share what you are working on. So thank you for watching and keep building.